Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a review of a new bag that I gotten, and it's from ta-da, Kenzo. So I've been eyeing for a camera bag for a while now, and I decided to get one from Kenzo. It's really cute and I can't wait to do a little unboxing right here. So let's get right into it. So here is the bag in the last bag, and then you open it up. Ta-da! So here's the Kenzo Kombo Camera Bag. As you can see the logo right here, and the size itself is about 19.5 times 16 times 17. So lots of things can be fit inside, and I will just get right into the detail of the bag and you can know what fits inside. So let's get right into it. So here's the Kenzo Kombo Camera Bag. I have yet to remove the tag because I plan to remove it when I use it today. And then the logo itself is printed out, so it's pretty obvious, and I love how they get into detail even with the straps. At the side you can see the logo itself, so it's all very detailed and it's on both sides. So let's unzip the bag and show you what can fit inside. So inside I like to put the paper to make it stay in shape. It's important for the bag. And inside is really spacious, and it comes with an inner zipper as well, where you can put your cards and money and whatever you see fit. And usually I like to keep the brand card inside on the inner compartment as a safe keep, so it's really great. So this is the part that I love about this bag, the see-through part that differentiates itself from other camera bag because it's made of leather and it's unique. And at the back there is a zipper, so it's a back compartment. There's an inner compartment and outer compartment, and I usually like to use the outer compartment to put my stuff as well. So usually I like to style my camera bag either as a side bag on my shoulder or as a sling bag in front, depending on where I go. And after this I'll show you what can be fit inside this bag. So yeah. So I'm gonna open up the bag and show you what I can fit inside this camera bag. Firstly, I'm gonna bring my makeup pouch because it's an essential for me. And I like to bring my cushion, my lipstick along, and it's still pretty spacious inside. That's what I love about this bag. Next, I'm gonna put my aloe vera gel because my skin feels a little bit dry recently, so I have to bring it around to moisturize my skin whenever I can. Next, I like to bring a perfume along as well, a mini bottle of MS perfume, because sometimes I eat BBQ and it smells and I don't like that. And I also bring along my wallet from Victoria's Secret. Next, I'm gonna put my second phone, it's my spare phone, the iPhone, and then I will usually put my iPhone XR, the one that I'm filming, in the bag later on as well. And it's still pretty spacious, and I just love everything about this bag. So thank you guys for watching it till the end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and do let me know what's your favorite brand for camera bag and what do you think about camera bag. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!